Hey guys, I'm doing another transmission drain and fill on my 3.5 liter Honda here. This is a Honda Pilot, and I've been using the Valvoline MaxLife full synthetic ATF for probably about 100,000 miles now. The vehicle's got 200,000 miles on it, and for half the life of this vehicle I've been using this ATF fluid instead of the really expensive Honda ATF fluid. And it's been doing fantastic. Haven't had a single problem with the transmission. It's the original transmission on a 200,000 mile Honda Pilot, and it still shifts perfectly. And I get this Valvoline MaxLife ATF. I get this at Walmart. I think it's like 1797, something like that, or 1747 for this is a 1 gallon jug, so 4 quarts. And the Honda Pilot, this is a 2006 Honda Pilot, takes 3.5 quarts each time I do a drain and fill the transmission. And I do it about every 30,000 miles is when I do the drain and fill. And like I said, I haven't had a single problem with the transmission. Shifts really great. Even says on the back of this, right here, recommended for use in Honda. Right here, Honda Acura ATF Z1. I also use it in my Honda CR-V, which I think that calls for DW1, which is the newer Honda fluid. And if you go online to Valvoline's website and you look up this ATF, this must be an older container, but if you look up the ATF on Valvoline's website, it's also compatible with the Honda DW1. Really great fluid. I highly recommend it. And of course, it's great that Valvoline's American owned and operated. All right, guys. Well, thanks for looking. I hope your Sunday's going well and you're enjoying working on your vehicle. Thanks for looking. Bye.